How to fix iPhone battery drain on iOS 18. If you're having this issue on your battery on your iPhone, then this video is to solve that issue. First of all, you have to force restart your device. For that, press the volume up button, then volume down button, and keep pressing the side button until you see black screen with Apple logo. The other next step you need to do is simply go to the settings, hit on the general, and from here do reset all of your settings. Once you do that, go back to the settings homepage. Again, there you will see wallpaper. You need to make sure that you use the wallpaper that is already on the library. Here you can see a lot of wallpaper that is already on the library. Make sure to use that. Now, at last, go to the battery and make sure that your battery health is more than 80%. Once you check that, you also must check that all of your applications are up to date. Simply launch your app store. From there you can see your all of the application. Make sure that you have updated them. If they are not updated, then do update it. Once you do all of this, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.